Vanakkam, Namaste, hello, and welcome to the Precitech family. My name is Rahul Agarwal, and I am the Managing Director at Precitech Forgings and Engineering Private Limited. I wanted to introduce you to our company, our mission, and our core values. Here at Precitech, our mission is to be a reliable partner of forged and machined products in the supply chain of every engineering industry on earth. We aim to provide consistently high quality components and excellent service to become an indispensable link in our customers' manufacturing processes. Our core values are the guiding principles that inform everything we do as a company. They include teamwork. We work together collaboratively to achieve our goals. We value diverse perspectives and treat each other with respect. Innovation. We encourage creativity and ingenuity. We are always looking for new and better ways of doing things. Transparency. We conduct business openly and honestly. We communicate clearly and frequently. Integrity. We uphold high ethical standards and do the right thing. We keep our word. Reliability. We consistently deliver high quality products and services. Our customers can depend on us to meet their needs. I am thrilled to have you join us here at Precitech. With your contributions, we will continue to uphold our mission and values as we forge ahead into a bright future. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Welcome aboard to the Precitech family.